Helen Reavey, founder of Act+Acre. The system consists of our Scalp Detox, our plant-based hair capsules, and our apple stem cell serum. So the benefits of combining all three products together are that you're looking after your scalp, keeping it clear so that the hair can grow in a healthy environment. We're stimulating that collagen and blood flow to the hair follicle, and also internally taking hair vitamins to ensure that we're having all nutrients and minerals that the body needs for healthy hair growth. So starting with the Scalp Detox, this is a pre-cleanse treatment that you're going to use weekly on your scalp. So you're just using the nozzle or apply a few drops to your fingertips, massage gently in. You're going to leave that for 15 to 20 minutes and then you're going to rinse out. So once you cleanse and condition your hair, you're going to follow with our stem cell serum. Apply stem cell serum to freshly washed hair on the scalp and leave in. And to ensure you have the right amount of nutrients for healthy hair growth, you're going to take 2 of these capsules daily.